Yeah, guys, we are actually in KFC. Yeah. We are in the KFC. I have made this video. Oh yes, I am using a voice cover.
wearing a mask.
Yes. And also, I was wearing a mask. Yes, I am. I was sick. I'm just coughing. I have a cough. Yes, I do have a cough.
A secret recipe. Oh look, and what I don't know what this is. Okay, so everything. Oh sorry. I like just put kind of don't look at my family part. And there's a bottle that's going on. Okay, fire extinguisher, and look at that view. It's just little. And that.